There's a specific kind of slump no one really talks about. Not burnout, not depression exactly. Just this low-grade stuckness where your days blur together and nothing feels urgent enough to change. That's where I am right now. I don't feel broken. I don't feel dramatic. I just feel disconnected from my own life. And what's been hardest to admit is this. I don't trust myself the way I used to. I make plans. I tell myself tomorrow. And then tomorrow quietly becomes next week. So instead of pretending I have a solution or waiting until I feel motivated, I'm trying something different. I'm starting a 30-day experiment on January 1st. Not a transformation, not a reset my entire life challenge. Just a way to gently pull myself out of this slump, and I'm inviting you to come with me. Here's the honest truth. I haven't done this yet. I'm not speaking from the other side. I'm speaking from right here, in the middle of wanting change but not knowing how to start. What I do know is this. When life feels heavy, big goals make it worse. But tiny intentional actions can bring you back to yourself. So for 30 days, I'm committing to 7 small things each day, 5 to 10 minutes each. Not to be impressive, not to be perfect, just to show up. Things like sitting quietly for a few minutes, moving my body just enough to feel awake, writing a few honest lines, cleaning something small, going outside, spending a few minutes on a personal project, doing one thing that makes my space feel more livable. That's it. No punishment if I miss a day. No pressure to do them right. Just check boxes. Because what I'm really trying to rebuild isn't discipline, it's trust. Trust that I can keep small promises to myself. Trust that my days don't have to disappear unnoticed. Trust that even low-energy days still count. I created a simple habit journal for this, not as a planner, but as a container. Somewhere to check off what I did. Somewhere to write a sentence or two about how it felt. Not what I accomplished, how I showed up. Starting January 1st, I'm going to post a short video every day documenting how this actually feels. The good days, the resistant days, the I don't want to do this but I did one thing anyway days. No highlight reel, no fake motivation, just honesty. If you're feeling stuck, if you're tired of waiting to feel ready, if you want a softer way to begin again, you're welcome to join me. Not because I know exactly where this leads, but because sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is start not alone.